There's no better way to promote your business than with a video. The more a future customer knows about your business, the greater the chance they will purchase your coupon. Millions of future and current customers will learn about your store or service in a 1 to 3 minute video, produced by the TubeCoupon team. TubeCoupon airs and promotes your video coupon via its website and emails. And after a customer visits your store, they will be able to leave video reviews of your business. Now, after your coupon has long expired, you can link your business website to the video. This value-added service is included in every listing with TubeCoupon. TubeCoupon gets paid by taking a percentage of completed sales. Each service listed on TubeCoupon has a separate pricing structure. When a customer buys a coupon, TubeCoupon collects customer payments for you, distributes the vouchers to the customers, and mails you a check. So, what are you waiting for? Call us now at TubeCoupon for a free consultation. TubeCoupon.com. Watch before you buy.